Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 204. If we start with this box, we're missing 3 and 8, and I don't see any help, so 3, 8, 3, 8. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 6. No help here. 1, 6, 9. 1 here, so 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. No help here. 2, 7, 8. 8 here, so 2, 7. 7 and 8 here. That means this is our 2, 7, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 covering these two boxes, so our 5 must be here. And I don't see any other help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. No help here. 1, 5, 9. 5 and 9 here means this is our 1. That 5 makes this our 9, 5. For this box, that 1 and 9 would make this our 6, 1, 9. So for this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 7. 7 here, so 3, 6. 7 here, so 3, 6. And that means the only place our 7 can be in that box is here. For this column now, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 4, 3 here, so 4, 6. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 2 and 9 here, so this is our 1. That 1 makes this our 9, 2, and that 9 makes this our 1. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 5. 4 here, so 6, 4. That 4 makes this our 3, 6, 4, and that 6 makes this our 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 1. 6 here, so 8, 6. For this top row now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 2. 9 here, so 7, 9. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this column now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 3, 8. And for this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 1. 3 here, so 7 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.